Hello everyone, and welcome to Climb Finance, where we discuss everything about finance. If you are yet to subscribe, please do hit the subscribe button. It takes less than 2 seconds to do. Today, we will be looking at the different lessons poor parents and rich parents teach their children about finance. If you have read the book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, you would understand that the rich and the poor teaches finance to their children in different ways, thereby passing different messages. It is no lie that where you live could significantly affect your thoughts. A parent whose 3 generations have lived in poverty and spend their entire life in the slum will have a completely different thought from a parent whose family has been handling generational wealth. With this said, let's dive in. Money. Evil or good? The poor would always say that money is the root of all evil. They say this to anyone who is willing to listen, and this is exactly what they teach their children. Poor people emphasize on the biblical statement that says, "It is easier for a camel to pass through the eyes of a needle than for a rich person to make heaven." On the other hand, rich people see money as a good thing. The rich teaches their children to see money as an instrument to make more money. Rich parents ensure that they teach their children how to use money to create generational wealth, as well as preserve generation wealth for themselves and their generation unborn. The truth be said, money isn't the root of all evil. The biblical quote says, "For the love of money is the root of all evil." The love of money signifies greed, and greed can lead people to make lots of wrong decisions. Work for money. Or make your money work for you. Poor parents are bent on making sure that their children work to get paid. Poor people are actually very hardworking, so they ensure that their children are also hardworking. While the poor believe in hard work, the rich teaches their children how to use money to make more money. Working for money will make the poor remain poor, but letting your money work for you will build wealth. Do the job, or solve problems. Poor parents have the belief that their job is what will give them their daily bread, and are not willing to push forward or take any risk to break loose. But the rich teaches their children to solve problems. Starting from their elementary days, they are taught the importance of seeing opportunity in problems and harnessing them to make money. The rich teaches their children to solve more problems so they make more money. Get a job. Or provide jobs. Get a good job and you will become rich. This is the advice poor parents give their children. Poor parents tell their children to study very hard, so they can get high-paying jobs and have high status in the environment. They want their children to be doctors, lawyers, engineers, and so on. Rich parents teach their children to create jobs in any field they find themselves. The richest teacher owns a school. The richest lawyer owns a law firm. The richest pharmacist own pharmaceutical companies. The rich enlighten their children on the importance of entrepreneurship, while the poor teaches their children to get good jobs. Spend less and save or invest. Poor parents tell their children to spend less and save up so they can be rich. Poor people believe spending less and saving more will help them reach millionaire or billionaire status, but this isn't true. The rich teaches their children to use money as a tool. Save so they can be able to use it to invest. Invest in other to have more money so as to invest. The rich teach their children to see money as a tool, acquire whatever they want. One major difference between what the rich tell their children and what the poor tell their children is that the rich tell their children to invest in themselves, so they can be able to solve problems, while the poor tell their children to study so they can become good employees. The truth is, the biggest investment a person can make is investing in yourself. Thanks for watching.